Hello from the food forest. So today I am taking you with me and we are going to harvest some leafy greens for tonight's dinner for the mixed salad, and this will be basically one of many ways how we use them. And yeah, I will talk as we go, and maybe you get inspired and wanna grow your own. By the way, I sell all of them either as seeds or small plants or cuttings. So yeah, and the best thing about it is you buy it only once and they multiply, they grow, you can enjoy them forever, especially in subtropics and tropics, but also in the cooler climates. You can grow them in big pots and protect them in winter, or you can grow them in the garden and move them into a pot or part of it into the pot for the winter and replant again in spring. So yeah, let's get into it. If you have any questions, put them under the video below in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. So now let's get into it. And we can start right here where we are with the Cranberry Hibiscus. This is a fantastic self-seeder. It's a short-living perennial, but it's also reseeding happily, and I'm always harvesting young leaves. Oh, look at it, it's getting flowers. So we are using it for tea as well, for stir fries, and of course for the salad. So yeah, and because it's late autumn, you can see the little flower buds and they are so beautiful. So I'm always checking under the leaves. There are some ants right now, just blowing them off. So this is turmeric. So I'm getting one young leaf as well. I always harvest the youngest leaves because they are most nutritious and always the best. This is the Insulin Ginger, the insulin plant, and I'm always getting at least 1 or 2 young leaves of it as well. So we have 3. I can see some West Indian gherkins in here, and I will get one and we'll mix it into it as well. They're really nice, especially when they young like this, so they have a nice nutty flavor. Now I want some of the longevity spinach as well. And longevity spinach, I have oceans growing. You can see it everywhere in my food forest. I'm using it also for the compost tea I'm making for my garden beds, and you can see everywhere here growing along the fence line as well. So basically all over the place, and as usually always the youngest ones. I also like to take the tips . Where is my basket? Ah, here. So the basket. And some more. And maybe some more. I always tend to harvest more than we need, but even if I do, you wouldn't even notice the difference in my food forest that something is missing. And of course rosellas, when I have rosellas I always add some into our salads because they're yummy, and also some of the young leaves as well, because the young leaves are nice and tender, nice and soft. We want some of them as well. Okay, that's it. I'm having daikon radish now here in the garden too, so I will be using some leaves. It is still pretty warm even though we have autumn here in subtropics, so I'm covering the daikon radish with some netting to minimize the leaves being eaten by some bugs, because we still have lots around. Always the youngest ones, the nice ones, but not the ones from the middle, because this part needs to grow. This is Egyptian spinach. I will have the seeds available in my online shop very soon. You can see already the seed pods. This is a very good self-seeder as well, likes hot summers, and the leaves are delicious. Very yummy, nice and soft, like a really nice nutty flavor. And you can see lots of bugs activities here as well. I don't blame them because the leaves are so nice. Usually I will take some of my Bok Choy, but they are very small yet. But still, I can see that there are too many as usually, so I will get some from in between and will use the delicious sprouted young ones for the salad as well. It's not good when it's too close to each other, but you probably know it already. So that is a good way of using them. Okay, this is not a really self-seeder because I'm just on it and I want them in my salad tonight. So that is why you get to watch it too. And you can get my seeds as well in the online shop. It's a very good winter leafy green. Yum yum. Let's have a look. We already have heaps, but I still have something in mind, so let's go there. Maybe a few blue pigeon wings on my way there. They self-seed beautifully, are delicious for tea as well. And we take a few leaves of the bush basil. This gives a delicious aroma. This is also perennial basil. All the perennial edibles make my life so much easier. Look, and the bees love it too. Some delicious Okinawa spinach. This one is also really, really nice. So, and we cannot forget, you know what? We cannot forget about one of the delicious limes for the dressing, for the salad. So basically the dressing will be lime juice this time, olive oil and some garlic, some little bit of mustard, salt, pepper, and a tiny bit of sugar, and that's basically it, I think. Yes. So yeah, fresh lime, lots. This will be all cleaned. The petals, the calyx, so the petals are going into the salad. The seed pods are going to the chickens, to the birds. They can do whatever they want with it. They usually are always waiting until the seeds are crack open, the seed pods, and they are eating the seeds. Oh, we could have something else. Wait a minute. Here, the beautiful sweet leaf. I don't want to miss it as well. And I usually just stripe off the leaves and the flowers so they go into the salad, not eating the woody part. So I get a couple of these ones as well because they taste very yummy as well. Their taste is similar to sweet peas. Okay, one more. That's it. And this is not all. We could still go on and harvest. Oh, sorry, but I've just seen, and I have to have at least one leaf of the horseradish. This is also very super healthy, so it's going here as well. I will have lots of salad tonight as usually. Now I could go on and go on, you know, you can see that. The sweet potato leaves, they are very nice for salad, and some other leafy greens what I am having. And you know what? All of it here will be the most delicious salad. Salad that tastes like a happy life. So I think that's really enough. It's heaps, and we could still go on and on and on with some other leaves which I missed today. But maybe next time. Let me know if you like this kind of or this type of videos, or if there is anything else you would like to see from the food forest. And yeah, for now I'm going to the kitchen, prepare the salad and the rest of the dinner for tonight, and I will see you next time. All the best with all your gardening projects, with all your projects, and yeah, until the next video.